Hi, my name is Sean at HotRodMiniBike.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install drift trike sleeves onto your kart tires. And what we're going to be using is an air-operated vacuum pump. And there's not going to be any use for any tire iron, soap, or any of that stuff that you see on other YouTube videos. And it takes about 5 minutes to do both sets of tires. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, step one on mounting your sleeves to your kart tires. Remove the valve core, and then we're going to get our air nozzle here, remove that, and we're going to hook up our Harbor Freight vacuum air operated pump. Hook that up, stick this guy right on the nipple there. Get that centered the best you can. Then you can flip it back over, take the hose off. Next step, put some air back in it. And then we like to use a rubber mallet and use this line on the tire, if you got one, as a center line. Get this all centered up on your tire best you can, and then you can mount it up on your cart or your drift trike and center it to make sure everything's rolling smooth, and then put your valve core back in and put the proper tire pressure in and you're all done.